Uh, Today we are very happy. Village Panchayat Kavilasi would like to thank Bike Hospitality and their management and their owner for helping us. We are very proud. Milan Rodriguez and Samuel Rodriguez, their father who was a handicap, in my childhood always supplied sound system for entire village and to the nearing village also. Today we are very happy in the name of Nix Radio, late Xavier Rodriguez, Milan and a son. आयज आमी कोणाकूय हेल्प करपाक कित्याक मुखार सरले आयज सगळ्यां कडेन गव्हर्मेंट जॉब दिवपा जायनाय ना प्रायवेट जॉब नाय आयज विलेज पंचायत काविलोसी डिप्युटी सरपंच secretary and all panchayat members are now on. I would like to once again thank Bike Hospitality and the CSR they have provided. Today I am very happy our good friend youngster Mr. Samuel and his mother, they got a identical speaker high. Today we are provided with all the equipments, everything. Today I Tanjani for DJ party, church, for picnics, for private function and everything. So I request people to support them. Today they are fully equipped. I सगळे आहा मुंगडे सारखे मुगो वस्तो आणि हांव मागता देवा कडेन आनीकूय तुमी हेल्प करपाक आमी पंचायत जरा सदा आसतली बट हेजो तुमी बरो उपयोग करचो आनी लोकां कडेन मागता आमचे गांवचे तांकां आयज मिलना कडेन करणे वस्तू कांय ना सारके न्यू ब्रँड एवरीथींग आनी तेगे चेड्या बरी नॉलेज आहा हांव पळय चयतालो तो जेन्ना आमी घेवपाक गेले तेन्ना they have a good knowledge and today we are very happy that they are fully equipped to make on the living. So once again, as part of our program to help somebody to have their own business, okay, we say vocal for local. Okay, once again, thank you very much.